Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Pretty Kayla and I'm here today with another video. I have a Sephora haul for you guys today. So we all know how a Sephora bag comes like this. And I got a new foundation from NARS. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Medium Deep 2.3 or Moorea. I also grabbed a NARS Blush. This is in the shade Sin. I grabbed the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade 385. I did some research before I purchased this, so hopefully that works out. I also purchased the McGRATH Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer, and this is in shade MD23. And I have MD21, but it's a little light for me currently, so I'm going to go with this instead. It looks way more brown, which I'm curious and interested to try. And then I got a new lipstick. This is the Super Nudes Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. And this is from Tilbury. So we're gonna get into it. I just ate some pineapples, so I feel like my mouth is like a little crazy. And if you guys wondering what I'm looking at over here, it's a mirror. I just don't want it in front of the camera. Oh, and if you've been following me, I have braces, so that's a new surprise. Okay, so how I do my makeup, I start off with my brows. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take a little Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna just put that on my brows. So I'm gonna start off by doing my brows. This is how I do my makeup. So I use Sephora's waterproof brow pencil in medium brown. So I just take the spoolie end of the brush and I fill in my brows. I like to follow the shape I already have, so where it may be sparse, that's what I'm really looking to fill in. I actually like to conceal my my brows with my foundation, so I'm going to open up the foundation by NARS. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. And I only use a little bit. I don't need a lot of product. So now I'm going to take the tinted brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take it in shade Brunette, and I'm going to apply that over my brows. So I don't want my brows too dark. I kind of want a more natural look. So for me, this is a little trick that I do to get that natural brow. And all it does is just lighten it up a little bit, because I'm lightening up my brow color. So the next step, I'm going to take some of this concealer from McGRATH. Look how pretty it is. And then go on with the fluffy brush and set my damn eyes. I'm going to take this color Transcend. So that's from the Artist Couture palette. I'll list it below. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm going to go into Aesthetic. I'm going to go into this dark shade Mink. I'm really concentrating this color on the outer V and then blending it a little bit in my crease. I think I'm going to go into this shade that just broke off. Hopefully it's not my last time using it. This is called Frazzled. I'll also list this palette below, but it is from HUDA Beauty. I'm going to take this Galaxy color I'm going to put on mascara before I put on my lashes. So now we're gonna start with the foundation. I use Milk of Magnesia and I keep some cotton rounds, and I'm just gonna dab it on my face like so. I'm gonna shake up my foundation. I actually think I'm going to conceal under my neck with my new concealer. And I'm gonna dip into this and go both sides and come back around. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of that and a little bit of that. This is the MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick in NW50. And where this line is, I don't want my foundation to go below that. So where you smile. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Fenty powder in the shade 385. I'm going to dip. Ooh. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my translucent powder from Mercier. It's my favorite. I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer Sunstalker in Cocoa Naughty. And then now I'm going to take this brush here. This is a Bedellum, and I'm just going to tap underneath my eyes. Okay, lastly, I'm going to take my new NARS blush in the shade Sin. Really pretty. Now I'm going to take my lip liners in ColourPop's Lippie pencil in BFF4 and BFF3. This is from the Makeup by Shayla collection. So your girl likes to overdraw her lips. That's one trend that I am into. So I start with the BFF3 and then I will go over that and really outline the BFF3 with the BFF4, as you can see right here. And then of course I'm going into that beautiful lipstick that I absolutely love. Then align my eyes. I'm going to take Aesthetic. And I'm just smudging out my waterline. Boom. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Here's the final look. I threw on a wig, took off my bonnet, put on some clothes, and although you can't see the eye makeup, my makeup looks really nice. It is full coverage, probably because I used too much of the foundation, but that's the only thing about this. I love the shade, but because there is no pump, there's really no way in controlling how you get this product out of the container. So that's one thing that kind of sucks. And then two is probably full coverage as well, because this is a foundation. So I'll probably do a review on this on its own. But I am pleased with the look. I can wear this out for date night. And if I knew I was going to put on a wig with bangs, I probably didn't even have to even go crazy on the eyes. I just wanted to do a look so you guys could see what everything looked like together. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.